Hi and welcome back. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. We've got nail mail and this is prize mail. Let's open it together and see what I got. This is actually the prize that I won from a giveaway on Instagram. It was a sponsored giveaway on Soap Stories and the host was Nora from NAQ57. So it looks like they included extra little samples. That's really nice. Let's open this up. The packaging is gorgeous. And these are the little samples that they sent. This one is lemongrass and this one is sandalwood, and they both smell amazing. And this is the actual prize that I won. They have 2 Instagram accounts. I'll have them listed in the description box of the video so that you guys can follow them if you're interested. And this is the one with the NK at the end because it's a nail kit. So I'm really excited. Soap Stories Amsterdam Natural Shine Nail Kit. Natural Shine Nail Buffer, Cuticle Oil, Hand Balm. Take a look at this beautiful packaging. I love it. It's a really nice material. Wow, it even has their website printed on the back. Let's open it together. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. A stimulating beauty treatment for your nails. And here they have instructions on how to use the products and information about them, and a 10% off discount code. Since I don't have any nail polish on my right hand, I'm gonna go ahead and test this out now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but here it says smooth step 1, and here it says buff step 2, and on the back shine step 3. So it tells you here, do the smooth one first for 2 to 3 seconds per nail, then the buff strip for 2 to 3 seconds to stimulate circulation, and then the third one, it's a shine. It says do each nail for 5 to 10 seconds. My nails are cracked, so there's nail polish that has been stuck in there and I haven't been able to get it out even with acetone. My nails have been peeling and cracking, so even though you can still see a little bit of the cracks there, but it feels smooth. So now we're gonna go to step number 2, which is buff. I think that's pretty good. And now we're gonna do step number 3, which is shine. Wow, can you guys see that? It looks super shiny. That is awesome. So the shine, it feels really smooth, and you can see it is really shiny, just as if I had applied a base coat. Let's do the other nails. I love the way my nails look and they feel so smooth. It's really nice. Let's go ahead and test out the cuticle oil now. So let's twist it a couple of times until we see the product. I love oiling even under my nails. This one has a light lavender scent. It smells really nice. And finally, we're gonna test out the hand balm. I got the scent Apple Blossom. You get 60 ml or 2.0 fluid ounces. The ingredients are listed here on the back. And it comes sealed. See how thick it is? I love that. Feels really smooth. And it smells so nice. It has a nice light scent. It reminds me of something from my childhood, but I'm not sure what I can't remember exactly what it is. So it was quickly absorbed into my hands. Doesn't feel sticky, it just feels really smooth and soft. This entire kit is awesome. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me test out these products for the first time. As you can see, they work really nicely. I love the way my nails look, and it's my natural nail, so that's really nice how it looks so shiny and there's no product on it. The cuticle oil smells amazing, and so does the lotion or the hand balm, and it feels really nice on my skin. So I'm looking forward to continuing using these products. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know, and I'll have these products linked in the description box of the video. Thank you once again to Soap Stories for this beautiful gift and to Nora for hosting the wonderful giveaway. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on the subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram at LaShenny21Nails. I'll leave a link in the description box of the video.